Without question, for someone released from jail or prison, it can be hard to land a new job, even find a place to live. For many, a criminal background check quickly eliminates them from such opportunities.
It's why the Arkansas Justic Reform Coalition hosts clinics to help former inmates seal their records in some cases to give them a fighting chance. KNWA's Phoebe Kramer details how the process works and which guidelines determine eligibility for sealing a felony or misdemeanor. Phoebe.
Doug and Allie, this process does not erase the charge, but instead hides it from the public view when applying for a job or housing.
I've been applying for jobs and I'm finding out that it's showing up, so it's preventing me from going back to work.
The Arkansas Justic Reform Coalition held a record-sealing clinic in Washington County to help people secure work or housing. During the event, I spoke with one woman who wishes to remain anonymous, and she tells me she had 2 felony convictions from 10 years ago. Even though she has finished her probation years ago, she is still struggling to find a job.
I'm glad that they're going to help me, direct me in the right direction to complete that task.
Casey Copeland, director of the Pro Bono Arkansas Legal Attorney, a nonprofit that provides free legal services, explains that the record sealing clinic connects people with attorneys who can help them begin the process of sealing their records, making it easier to find housing and a job.
They disappear, and that client can then, on those applications, proceed as if those convictions never happened. So it helps people get and keep jobs, housing.
However, not everyone can qualify for record sealing. The law has specific rules, so only certain charges and convictions can be sealed, sometimes with time limits and other requirements.
A sentence or fines, fees, that sort of thing, that all that sort of stuff is taken care of. And then, of course, it does exclude certain convictions from the sealing process that just says these cannot be sealed.
Once a felony or a misdemeanor is sealed, the law treats it as if it never happened. An applicant can say there was never an offense, but law enforcement can still see the charge if necessary.
It still exists, it still can be used for certain purposes, for law enforcement purposes. So that's really the misconception about sealing in Arkansas.
If there is not an event near you and you want to contact Arkansas Legal Aid, you can find their contact information on our website at knwa.com. In studio, Phoebe Kramer, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.